afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, so before you take your seats, please arrange your chairs and pick up some pieces of paper. Okay, so are you now in your seats? So before I will discuss the new topic that we will be discussing today, let me have your attendance first. So who is absent for today?
My teacher.
Okay, very good. So I want you to arrange these jumbled letters that I will be showing in the TV. And with this, when you arrange these letters, jumbled letters, you can make the phrase that will be the title of our next topic. So, who can arrange the first word, the first jumbled letters? Very good. Types. Properties. Very good. Okay, so let us all read together. Okay, so now, do you have any idea about for today's topic? Okay, very good. So now we'll be discussing about the types of the triangle and its basic properties. So first, let us define what is triangle. So in geometry, triangle is a closed plane figure that has three line segments. So for example, these are real life examples of a triangle. Okay, so triangle is a polygon with three parts. So triangle has parts, and it is angle, sides, and vertices. So those are the parts of the triangle. So for example, in triangle ABC, so the sides of this triangle are the side AB, this one, the side BC, and the side CA, or the legs. The legs, and this is the base. So for the angles, we will have the angle BAC. So this is the first angle. The angle ABC, this is the second angle, and the angle BCA. So for the vertices are the endpoints of each line segment. So we have the A, the B, and the C. Okay, so we already know the parts of the triangle, so which are the sides, the angles, and the vertices. So let us now move on to the types of triangle. So there are three types of triangle based on its angle, and also three types of triangle based on its sides. So you can know the measure of the angle of the triangle by using what is this? Very good. So first type of the triangle is an acute angle. Acute angle is measuring less than 90 degrees. So as you can see in this protractor, here in the middle is what we know as the 90 degree. So an acute angle is measuring less than 90 degrees. Less than. So it will be from 1 degree to 89 degree. So next will be an angle that is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is referred to as an obtuse angle. So brother. Okay, so let's now move on to the types of triangle based on its sides. So first, we have in geometry an isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two sides of equal length. So just like here in the photo, so this isosceles triangle has two sides of equal length. This one. These are equal length. And it also has the two equal sides and two equal angles. Just like for the example. Second would be the equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is a triangle that has all its sides equal in length. Let us remember that all triangles, when you measure the interior of its earth measure, it is always equal to 180 degrees. The third one will be the Scaling triangle. It is a triangle in which all three sides are in different lengths. So unlike the equilateral has all the same three measure of its angles and its sides. Scaling triangle has three different measures of its sides and angles. Okay, this will be the example of right angle triangle. So we know that this sign is this box here represents that this triangle is a right triangle. Okay, so those are the types of the triangle based on its angle and sides. Okay, so now let us move on to the basic properties of the triangle. So again, class, what are the types of the triangle based on its angle? Acute, right, and obtuse. Very good. How about based on its sides? Scaling, equilateral. Very good. So now this will be, let us now move on to the basic properties of the triangle. So the basic properties of triangles, so we have the four basic properties. First, the sum of all the angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. Second, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the length of the third side. The third, the difference between the two sides of the triangle is less than the length of the third side. Lastly, the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. This is called the exterior angle property. Okay, so first let us discuss the basic properties of the triangle. So first, the sum of all the angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. So we will have the triangle sum theorem that states that the sum of the three interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, or it is always equal to 180 degrees. So Okay, how about if there is a missing measure of its angle? How could we know that what will be the measure of the missing angle? So how to solve the missing angle? So we can calculate the missing angle of a triangle by adding the two given measure of its angle, and we will subtract to the 180 degree. So that's how we will get the missing angle of a triangle. So now I want you to, based on our discussion on the types of triangle, I want you to do this activity. So okay, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. So what are you going to do is you will be making or draw, you can draw also a triangle shape based on what is being asked on the Manila paper. So you will just use paper strips or this straw. So I have scissors. Okay, so based on the what is being asked on the Manila paper, you can make the triangle. Okay, so please work with your roommates. Okay, so let me know if you're done. Okay, so based on the discussion earlier, you will also be putting measurement of each angle based on the triangle based on the triangle that is being asked. Okay, so you will also put the measure of each angle. Okay, so now, let us now proceed to the explanation of the basic properties of a triangle. So, to get the measure, we know that the measure of the interior angle of the triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. And we already know how to get the missing, if there are missing angle of the triangle. We just only add the two given measure of the angle, and we will subtract it to the total of 180 degrees. So now let us move on to the second basic property of a triangle. So the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So for example, in this triangle, so the two sides are the MA, this, and the one side, and also this side, the MC or the CM. So if we add any of these two sides, the answer will be greater than the measure of its third side. So for example, the side MA and the side MC is equal to 10 centimeter if we add them. So whereas MA plus MC is greater than the measure of AC. Okay, so the third basic property, the difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than the length of the third side. So if we subtract the two measure of its sides, it will be less than the measure of its third side. So if we subtract the measure of the side MA and AC, it will be 0 centimeter. Whereas the MA minus AC is less than the measure of the side CM. Okay, the fourth. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. This is called the exterior angle property. So, for the example, we will have the angle OQR. The OQR. The angle OQR is what we call the exterior angle. Is equal to the angle of, if we add the measure of angle QOP, the 61 degree, plus the angle of OPQ, which is 69. So if we add 61 degree plus 69 degree, it will be equal to what? 130 degrees. So it is equal to the measure of its exterior angle. So that will be okay. So that will be the four basic properties of a triangle. Okay, so now I want you to, with your group mates, I want you to solve these problems to know that you understand our topic. So this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. So you will present your answer on the board.
construct into 180 degrees.
Okay, thank you, Zenny. Very good. Okay, so for your assignment, so please get your assignment notebook and write this one. Okay, for your assignment, for one, the angle measures of the triangle are 30 and 90 degrees. Number two, a triangle measures 82 degrees and 35 degrees. So number three, if the triangle HER is a right angle triangle, what would be the measures of the three angles? Okay, so are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so that will be all. Thank you and goodbye.